Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I mentioned yesterday, I have a haul for you. I've actually split up a lot of my stuff into a few hauls. Um, 'Cause I thought it would kind of make it a little bit more interesting, for you guys. I'm not going to do them back to back because I do think that would be kind of boring to watch, haul after haul after haul. Anyways, today I'm going to be talking about the color tattoos from Maybelline. So first things first, what I noticed with these is some of them say color tattoo by Eye Studio 24-hour eyeshadow. Then some of them say color tattoo metal by Eye Studio 24-hour eyeshadow. And then some of them say color tattoo leather 24-hour eyeshadow. So I'm not quite sure if they are separate or supposed to be separate collections or what the deal is. The ones that just say color tattoo and the metal ones, I believe, yeah, the metal ones and those were all together in one area, and then underneath them were the leather ones. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that, but anyways, I've got 1, 2, 3, 13, and I believe there was 14. So there was definitely one shade for sure that I didn't get. There may have been two. So there's 14 or 15 of these anyways, and I have 13 of them. A little excessive maybe, but whatever. Okay, so we'll start with the Color Tattoo by Eye Studio 24-hour eyeshadow. That's what I'm starting with. And the first color that I'm going to show you is Pomegranate Punk, which I love. This is kind of a purpley burgundy type shade. It's so pretty. And the thing I like about these two is that you can wear them as a base under eyeshadow, or you can wear them on their own, which I really like. That's Pomegranate Punk. Then we've got Painted Purple, which is more kind of bluish. The first one was definitely, Pomegranate Punk was definitely a warmer shade. This is definitely more blue based, but really pretty. Then I have Too Cool. This is just kind of a snowy white shade. And some of these I will say are matte and some of them are shimmery. Not quite sure why they do it that way, but they love you. Then we've got Tenacious Teal. I love this shade. I have an eyeshadow and a eye pencil that are this exact color. I think they would be so pretty together if you wanted to do like an all blue or all teal look. It's so pretty. Then I have Tough as Taupe. Definitely one for the MAC paint pot dupe. Wink wink, hello, ding ding ding. Just so you guys know, it's definitely a shade that I think this could be a dupe for. I can't remember the shades that I'm thinking of, but I definitely have ones that are dupes for some of these. Then I have Bad to the Bronze. This is just kind of your regular bronze shade, kind of a chocolate brown type thing, but a little bit warmer, I would say. There's a lot of gold in that one. And then the last one for these is Bold Gold, which is basically just that, gold shade. So really pretty. I really like those. And as I said, some of those are more matte, some of those are a little bit shimmery. I will say with these ones, they are a little bit more of a putty type texture. The other two I found, the metal and the leather ones, I found a little bit easier to apply, because these guys, just the regular guys, are a little bit more of a putty texture. Not to say that they're difficult to put on, but they're just different texture. So then we're moving on to the metal guys. There are 3 of these, and I think in one of these 2 collections, the metal or the leather, there was another shade, and I think it's called Forest Antique Forest or something like that. It was kind of a dupe for the Antique Gold, I thought, paint pot from MAC, and actually that's why I wanted to get it, but when I saw it in person, I didn't really like it, so I didn't get that one. So anyways, the Color Tattoo Metal, there's 3 that I have here, and I think that one might have gone in this collection, but I'm not positive. The first color is Barely Branded. So that's that shade here. Basically just a champagne type shade. This is another one that could be a dupe for one of the MAC paint pots too. I think Soft Ochre that could probably be a dupe for, in my opinion. Then we have Inked in Pink. Really pretty. This reminds me of Expensive Pink, the eyeshadow from them. Really pretty. Then we've got Silver Strike. So this is just a cooler silver tone. There's a bit of a blue undertone to that one. And those 3 are all shimmery shades as well. They're not matte. So really pretty. And again, these you can wear on their own or with another as a whole look for eyeshadow, with eyeshadow. Then last but not least, we have the leather dyes. So these are Color Tattoo Leather by Eye Studio 24-hour eyeshadow. And then this color is Creamy Beige. We've got that guy. And this is more of a matte one. Then we've got Chocolate Suede. And that guy kind of reminds me of dark chocolate type of color, like Swiss chocolate. And then the last one for these is Vintage Plum. Ooh, I love this one. Oops, Vintage Plum. Really, really pretty, and these are all kind of more on the matte side. There's a bit of shimmer to these, but not so much. So yeah, those are my new color tattoo collection. So I hope you guys liked this video, and stay tuned for others coming up. For the next little while, as I said in my last video, I am taking a bit of a break, but I am going to be fulfilling my duty with putting up those videos for you guys. So over the next little while. So do stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the weekend. Side note, if you like my blush or my lipstick, stay tuned. They're coming up. Yeah. And so I hope you have a great night, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.